Alright, well what's happening today is a classic case of it's super nice out and I want my jet skis out. So, we're getting the jet skis out, I'm pretty happy. Just the stand-up, so the sit-down's already out. But he's got the Fiero out right now. I'll be driving that soon in a video. Soon. Alright, so we gotta get the two stand-ups out. And there's the bumper for the Cobalt, which more on that later in another video.
This one goes on the right side, right? Yes. Okay.
Wow. Just in case anyone is wondering how we did that so easily, it's these things right here from Harbor Freight. And they're perfect. They're perfect. I don't know how much they were. Remember how much they were?
$12 each or something?
Yeah, well, Harbor Freight. So. But for what I wanted them for, just to let the jet skis sit on them so they weren't on the ground and then be able to push them right up to the edge of the... Hey, the lights work. Are you sure you can get that in there? I don't. You're gonna have to tip it. Yep, tip it like that. There you go. You can. There's a way you can get it in there with these.
I know.
Without taking them off.
That's right.
Without taking them off. You want me to do it, or do you got it? Yep. There you go. You got it. What was that? Oh, the battery strap?
Yep.
How are you gonna be able to strap it? Or we're gonna do that at a later time?
I think I can get to the straps. Yeah.
Okay. Alright, so we got the battery in, and I should probably pull the spark plugs and check them, but I think we're gonna see if it will roll over first. And he's looking for the lanyard right now. Did you find it? Is one of them green?
Do that.
You can, the choke's on. Squeeze that a few times. I would just let it go.
Okay.
And maybe turn the choke off. It's been sitting in the hot sun, it's probably warm. Ready? No, I mean like just in general.
Yeah.
Ready?
Yeah.
Fingers crossed. Which we don't have any gas for.
Oh, it's going through now. It's going through now. Yeah, I wouldn't overdo it.
Alright, so we got these two started up here. So that's 3 out of 4. And the XP and the SP are up north getting worked on, and then hopefully the XP will start. I don't know. So now we're gonna strap on the 650 because it's not strapped down. Put the covers on them, put the hoods back on them, put the covers on, park them over there, and then I'm gonna put a tarp over them because it's supposed to rain on Sunday. It's not raining right now though. Alright, so now we're getting the covers. Got everything put back together on those. I think he's getting the covers out. I thought that's what he came up here to do. And then we're gonna park them over there and put tarp over them. Because like I said, it's gonna rain on Sunday. Got the cover on. Try and put the cover on this one. Alright guys, that's the end of the video. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe. Leave a comment. Make sure to follow me on Instagram at ToddleyProductions on Instagram. I'll leave it on the screen. Check out my other videos and get psyched for jet ski content because it's coming very soon. Especially if the weather continues to be like this. It was literally like 75 degrees today. So I was really happy I had today off. Tomorrow's not going to be as nice, and then Sunday it's not going to be nice at all. It's going to rain. But I have to work tomorrow on Sunday, so that kind of sucks. But it's okay because if it's raining, I really don't care if I have to work. But anyway, get excited for jet ski content and a Cobalt update coming soon, hopefully, because it's at the shop right now. Getting an alignment done and some other stuff, but they've been pretty busy, so I don't think it's been in yet. I just dropped it off. It's only been a week since I dropped it off, and they've been pretty backed up with that, so hopefully I'll get that out soon. But for now, peace out. Thanks for watching. Hit the subscribe button. Bye.